Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So here we go again. You can see we've got new leaks of a potential upcoming product from DJI, the Mavic 3 Pro. These were leaked overnight from the regular leakers, and I must say all credit goes to them. People like Deals Drone, V, they're the ones that bring these images to us and information, so definitely go over to Twitter and follow them if you're into this kind of information. So this was kind of surprising to me when it got released. I kind of figured at some point we would see a Mavic 3 Pro, and I think I stated that in my initial review last year. Just it seemed kind of odd that DJI released a Mavic 3 and not a Mavic 3 Pro. You know, we had the Mavic Pro, the Mavic 2 Pro, and then they just went and dropped the Pro title and just called it the Mavic 3. My thoughts at the time were, yeah, at some point they'll release a Mavic 3 Pro. And we're kind of seeing that. You know, we got the Mavic 3 Classic last year. We have the Mavic 3. So now we're going to get a Pro model. And some of these images are kind of interesting. The first thing that stands out is that you can see we already have a box. So that must mean that this is not too far down the road. Like, you know, we could even see this later this month or perhaps next month. Usually when it gets to that stage, you know, we're definitely not too far off. There haven't been any FCC filings yet, but that could happen anytime. Now, there's not really a lot of information. There wasn't any really information about when it's coming, what kind of specs it will have. The only thing we can see here is that it now has 3 cameras built into it. So I'm assuming, you know, we're going to have the regular Hasselblad camera, the telephoto camera, and what this new camera is, I'm not sure. Perhaps it could be an ultra-wide camera, but really it's just a guess at this point. You can see on the arm here, it says Mavic 3 Pro. So it is going to be really interesting. Here's a side shot of it. Get a closer look at that camera. And yeah, I'm really curious what that extra camera is going to bring. Now, given that it is going to have the Pro title, are they going to add some other Pro features to it? Who knows? None of that information is available. I'm only assuming that usually when they release an upgrade like this, there's more than just one upgrade. So maybe they've made improvements to the main camera as well. And yeah, it'll be really interesting to see what all they add. So I'm really curious what your thoughts are on a Mavic 3 Pro. Is it something you're going to be interested in? And what other features do you think they would add to it to make it Pro and make people perhaps want to upgrade? Myself, I'm a little nervous about the price tag because the Mavic 3, the regular Mavic 3 is quite expensive. So if they're releasing one as a Pro model with another camera in it, you know, it's not going to be very affordable. Now, just before I go here, I just want to mention again, this is all rumor based. None of this is based in anything fact. So don't make any purchases based on these types of rumors. This thing could be released next week, or it may not be released till Christmas this year. Like, nobody really knows. So don't make any purchasing decisions based on rumors. Well, folks, I'd love to hear from you down in the comments. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.